morning. My name is Mark. I'm from the South Branch, which is located now in the Beverage area. We'll be doing an AIB service here. It consists of scanning, monitoring, documentation, also doing trend analysis. We'll be doing monitoring with the tin cats. We'll be doing pheromone monitoring. We'll also be replacing bait on the exterior of the facility. So let's get ready. Let's go. Facility, we have about 266 tin cats that have to be checked and cleaned and scanned every Monday. Here we have some action. With this one, I have actually 2 rodents caught. Pheromone monitors. We're monitoring for mainly Indian meal moth here. These are scanned every service. That's your measurement of the height. 2,130 feet. I like the challenge in the account. It presents things that we normally don't see in the field of pest control. It brings on a whole different dynamic. It could be rewarding also, especially when you're able to solve problems and resolve issues.
Yeah.
Especially the issues that you don't encounter every day. Something different, a different look. It's now 26 years, and I started out doing these type of accounts. So I'm very familiar with how they're done and what it takes to get them done and done the correct way. The main objective here also is to provide a really good service and also to get them through the audits. That's the most important thing.
Is it?
It's gonna be your present for coming out with me.